Hey there guys, today we will be unboxing the Ecoflow Smart Home Panel 2. They work with Delta Pro Ultras to essentially have a side panel where you can offload some of your circuits for your home onto this and power it with either the Delta Pro Ultras or the Delta Pros. There also seems to be something new that will be coming soon that works with this. Alright, so let's get to unboxing. So I'm hoping to get this installed soon. I did give Ecoflow a call to find an electrician for the install. If you're in California or Texas, Ecoflow will help you if you purchase a smart home panel to find an electrician to install it for you. They did give me a call back. I emailed them because I actually purchased this from Costco, and they quickly did find me a person to help me with finding an electrician with the install. I haven't actually heard back from any electricians yet. It's been about 2 days since I started the process, so I'm not too surprised. Hopefully they call soon so I can get this installed soon. It's pretty easy. Just hold it into place. So here it is out of the box. You're gonna see this is the inside of, or the panel, the sub panel. This is what happened. This is what you see when you open the door. This seems to be the protective covering that will cover these knockouts for the circuits, the grid tie, and then if you ever do add a generator to this side. Everything is packaged really well. And you can see on the inside is where the panel is, where you're gonna add all of your circuits. And then on the bottom is the glass door for this panel. So I'm gonna take it apart piece by piece. Let's take the foam inserts out first. Here's the front panel door. Looks really nice. It's quite heavy and has some basic instructions on how this is wired in together on the door. As long as well with the QR code probably to get the app, everything installed. Let me bring it up. You guys can take a look. Here's the metal front panel of the Smart Home Panel 2. As you can see, there's metal knockouts for your circuits and also your generator breaker. I mean your grid and your generator breaker that are going to go here. Lastly, you got the internals and everything that makes up the Smart Home Panel, where you're going to have your main panel here where you're going to put your circuits as well as plug in all your wires. Here's, I believe, where you're gonna feed, these wires feed from your Delta Pro Ultras or Delta Pros here. This is gonna be pretty much your inlet box for your sub panel where you can plug in your power stations. Everything looks very well built. It's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, so it's going to be about, looks like 5 inches deep. Probably not going to inset this into the wall. And this inlet box does disconnect from the panel itself, so you can put this somewhere lower or somewhere else if you really need to. Alright, so that was the basic unboxing of the Smart Home Panel 2. Hopefully I get this installed soon so I can make another video going deeper into how this will really make the home more energy efficient with solar and also have a backup.
All right. Peace.